Welcome back to our video course on how to create an effective content strategy for your business. This is Module 9. In the previous lesson, we looked at creating a content production plan for your business. In this lesson, we'll look at creating and implementing a content promotion plan. This is the part of the content plan that determines how we'll promote and get our content in front of our target audiences. So in this lesson, we'll cover what a content promotion plan is, why your business needs it, and how to create one for your business. So, what is a content promotion plan? A content promotion plan is a document that outlines the strategy and tactics that your business will use to distribute and promote its content. It includes your content promotion goals and objectives, information about your target audience, the types of content that you will produce, the distribution channels that you will use to get your content out there, and the KPIs or key performance indicators that will be used to measure the success of your content promotion activities. Now, why does your business need a content promotion plan? Your business needs a content promotion plan because it helps your business to reach and engage your target audience more effectively, helps to maximize the impact of the content that you produce. It helps to allocate resources and budgets more efficiently toward content promotion. It helps you track your content's performance over time. Helps to identify and leverage the most effective distribution channels to reach your target audience. And it helps to stay consistent and on brand with your messaging. So in short, your content promotion plan tells you how to get the word out about your content, increase its visibility, and drive engagement and conversions. So now that we have a basic understanding of what a content promotion plan is and why your business needs it, let's look at how to create one. I've outlined here the main steps and suggestions for creating a content promotion plan. Like in our previous lessons, I'm only going to touch briefly on these points because many of these steps have already been covered in our content plan lesson in Module 7. If you need help with these steps, visit the link on the screen for a detailed tutorial. So, to create a content production plan, we'll need to define our goals for promoting our content. For example, increase website traffic, generate leads, etc. Identify our target audience. Where are they most likely to be found? Create a plan for distributing our content through various channels. For example, social media, email, videos, paid advertising, etc. Use a promotion calendar or scheduling tool to plan out when and how to promote each published piece of content. Optimize our content for search engines. Share the content on social media platforms and encourage followers to share it. And you may also want to reach out to influencers in your industry and ask them to share your content with their audience. Also, you can leverage methods like email and video marketing, so include the content in your email newsletter and send it to your email subscribers, and upload and share your videos on video sharing platforms. And also you can consider using paid promotions like Google Ads or Facebook Ads to reach a larger audience. Additionally, set metrics and use analytics tools to track and analyze your promotions and gather insights for future campaigns. Repurpose and refresh your content with new information and insights to reach new audiences and keep your existing audiences engaged. And continuously monitor and improve your promotional strategies based on your results and feedback. So, in summary, your content promotion plan specifies the strategy and schedule for promoting and distributing your content, and it includes your goals and objectives for promoting your content, information about your target audience, the content types that you will create, your distribution channels, and the KPIs that you will use to measure the success of your content promotion efforts. Follow the steps presented in this lesson to create and implement a content promotion plan for your business. And if you need help or want to see an example of a content promotion plan, check out the tutorials listed on the screen. So that's all for this lesson. In the next lesson, we'll look at how to create a content management plan for your business. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.